Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on a Canon Pixma MG7753. This is nice and simple, done from the printer itself, using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. Now you need to be on the home screen of the printer. If your screen doesn't already look like this, you can press the home button over here to be taken where you need to be. So to get started, we're going to drag the screen to the right, and we're going to click into Setup. From Setup, we're going to scroll past Maintenance and Device Settings and Estimated Ink Levels, the bottom option, fourth one down. And from there, you've got a visual representation of how much ink your printer thinks remains in each of the ink cartridges. If you have an exclamation mark like on my yellow, the printer thinks it's running low. If you've got an X, your printer thinks it's run out. Now if you're checking the ink levels of your printer due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, you might want to check out our separate videos on clean cycles and test pages, as any print quality issues experienced are unlikely to be as a direct result of an ink running low, more likely to be a blockage in the printer's printhead. Now, if you have any doubts as to what inks you need for your printer, just press ink number on the bottom right hand side. You have a list of codes here, the XL ones being the extra large ones, and the ones without that signifier are just standard capacity. You can use either in your printer. They're all physically the same size. They just contain different amounts of ink. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.